So this guy came down. I'm going to assume it's a falcon, but I can't see it very well. But every bird who was in the yard flew away all at the same time. That's pretty incredible. Benji, I think the falcon was back. It's good to see you're not disturbed by it at all. Yeah.